Hey, good morning, guys. For those that don't understand, we're just going to be explaining scientific notation and engineering notation. So, the rules for scientific notation: you have to move the decimal point to the immediate right of the first non-zero digit. Next, you multiply the number from step 1 by 10 to the n if you shifted the decimal point n places to the left, or 10 to the negative n if you shifted the decimal point n places to the right. So this is an example of scientific notation. So the number 370 million can be written in scientific notation by shifting the decimal place just to the right of the first non-zero digit. So we shifted it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 3.7 times 10 to the 8. So if you notice, the decimal is shifted to the right of the first non-zero digit. Likewise, for a number that's smaller than 1, we have 0.000970, so it's a real small number, right? So to put it in scientific notation, we need to get the decimal point to the right of the first non-zero digit. So you move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 9.70 times 10 to the minus 5, based on the rules.
Yeah, you're gonna be in.
Got it? So let's go to engineering notation now. The rules for engineering notation. The exponents of the 10 are always multiples of 3. So there's always is either 3, 6, or 9. So it's always multiples of 3, right? To express any number in engineering notation, write the number as the product of a number with 1, 2, or 3 digits to the left of the decimal point, and a power of 10, where the power of 10 exponent is a multiple of 3. So when you move the decimal point, you can have 1, 2, or 3 digits to the left of the decimal point.
Examples.
So let's do an example. So for this number, 910 million. Now remember, you move it 1, 2, or 3 to the left of the decimal point, right? So we can move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 0.910 times 10 to the 9. So that's correct. Or you can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 910 times 10 to the 6.
That's all I was.
Because based on the rules, it could be 1, 2, or 3. So this one has to be 910. So this one would have been incorrect, right? Because it has to be 1, 2, or 3. This has none on the other side of the decimal. So this one is correct. And that one is wrong. Got it? So for a small number, much smaller than 1, move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 7.5 times 10 to the minus 6. Got it? So it could be 1, 2, or 3 to the left of the decimal point. So this is correct. Guys understand?